2, 3, 4. They try and call my name, but it's never quite right. Porgela or Lagila, when I hear them I sigh. Drivers they might, but all they seem to say the incorrect name, all attempts fade away. Nazca, Navar, Novara, Nalinda, Achila, Naja, Najanta, Chavinda, Shavila, Ninja, Jordina or Rose. That last one don't even come close. Najla is the name, but it's not what they say. A name so simple that lead them astray. They never hear this verbal maze. It's never clear, it's never clear. In every end sound, I hope to find the right combination to ease my mind. But Najina comes out, a natural mistake. Oh boy, what a heartache. Bani, Jajina, Vanolina, Nella, Vanjina, Janina, Kajana, Janella. But Gina, Chirap, and Julia, it's clear that none of them even comes near Najla.